Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we will continue our discussion related to dot product or scalar product. So in the previous videos we discussed some basic concepts related to dot product, its basic properties and all the related things. So the next series of videos will be solving some numerical problems, some questions to understand the application of dot product. Okay. So here we have this question where we are given two vectors, a vector which is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap, and b vector is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Here it has been asked to find the dot product a vector dot b vector. Second, to find the angle between these two vectors, a vector and b vector. Okay, so we have already discussed that whenever we have a vector expressed in terms of its x, y and z components like this, axi cap, ayj cap, azk cap, and let's say b vector is expressed as bxi cap, byj cap and bzk cap. The dot product a vector dot b vector will be simply ax bx, ay by plus az bz. Okay, where ax, ay, az are the x, y and z components of a vector, bx, by, bz are the x, y and z components of b vector. Okay, that is of a vector and this is of b vector. So here if we see the question, 2, 3 and 4, they are the x, y and z components of a vector. 1, minus 2 and plus 3, they are the x, y and z components of b vector. So it will be simply 2 multiplied with 1 plus 3 multiplied with minus 2 plus 4 multiplied with minus 3. It will be 2 minus 6 minus it is how much, 4 into 3, it is plus 3. Okay, it is not minus 3, it is plus 3 plus 12. Okay, it is plus 3, that's why it is plus 3. By mistake I wrote here minus 3. Okay, so okay, you understand it is very easy to make such silly mistakes also. Okay, where you can mistakenly change the sign. So if you change the sign, the result will be wrong. Okay, so it is here 12 plus 14 minus 6, it is 8. Okay, that is the dot product simply. Next we have to calculate the angle between a vector and b vector. So here we have to use the basic definition of dot product. So what the basic definition of dot product says, a vector dot b vector, it is a vector modulus b vector modulus cos theta, this. So here cos theta can be expressed as a vector dot b vector divided by a vector modulus b vector modulus, this. So here a vector dot b vector is 8, we calculated, it will be 8. Okay, here we calculated a vector dot b vector, which is this. Then a vector modulus, here we know that suppose a vector is expressed as this, a vector modulus will be root over of the square of the x, y, sum of the squares of the x, y and z components respectively. So here it will be a vector modulus will be how much, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Similarly, B vector modulus will also be the sum of the x squares of the x, y and z components respectively. So here it will be 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay, so it will be equal to 8 by root over of this is 4 plus 9, 13, then 16, which is 29. Okay, so root over of 29 multiplied with this is root over of 1 plus 4, 5, and this is 14, root over of 14. So this result will be, let's calculate. Okay, it is coming around, okay, it's coming around 0.39703. that is cos theta. Cos theta is this much, 0.39703. Now theta will be simply cos inverse of 0.39703. Let us calculate it again. So it is coming around okay, it's coming around 66.607 degree, this much, 66.6 you can say. That is the angle between the two vectors, A vector and B vector. So this is the second part of the question, and this is the first part of the question which was asked. Okay, this is the dot product of A vector and B vector, and this here is the angle between the two vectors. So in order to determine that, we use this basic definition of dot product. This. Okay, so here is the question which we solved. Okay, it consisted of two parts and we solved it. First part, this is the second part.